This video is sponsored by Pouch. Yo, welcome back. This is the V8, the M60 V8 that is going in my E36 coupe. We got a lot to do, but first, this place is a mess. We had the car show on Sunday. I didn't film it because it was just mental and it was chaos. But yeah, we had over 2,000 cars, 4,000 people. We completely broke Cheltenham's traffic system. And it was just really good to see you all. So yeah, we're trying to sort of like recover from that. Before I get started on the E36, I've got to sort all this out. So, see you in a few hours. Let's get this done. All right, much better. Nice and tidy. So if you didn't watch the last video, we are putting an M60B40, it's a 4-litre V8. It's a BMW V8. We're putting that in the E36. All right, so at the end of last video, we got the engine sat in here, but not under its own weight. It was still on the engine crane. Because we've got these, basically, the V8 sits further forward and the engine mounts want to go here rather than here. So we had these tabs and we've got to weld these in. Here he is, big fat V8. These are the engine mounts, and that stud there needs to sit on these. So it's going to be like that. The only way we're going to attach these to the subframe is if we weld them. Bought myself a welder, didn't I? Here it is. I went for the Artec MiG 180 because I did a bunch of research and everyone just said that Artecs are mint. We've got the welding torch there, gas hose, and we've got the regulator, which I can't get out. And then I can't remember what else I bought, so let's have a look at that. This is the big boy. We got a welding trolley. We've got some 0.6 wire, some 0.8 wire, some 0.8 contact tips, and then, because I don't want to go blind, a welding mask and some gloves. Should probably build this, get the welder on it, hook the gas up, see where we're at. Here it is, the rig. I'm really stoked to have a welder. On to another thing, quickly, sidetrack, another thing, engine. We reckon when we get this in the car, we've got fuel lines to hook up, which we've got to get because they're too short. And then we've got the harness to sort. I've got to put some oil in it, and then I reckon we could actually try start it. I just need to get some oil and some fuel lines, and then maybe we might try and start this thing, but I want it just in case. I just want to say, whilst I'm here with the laptop, I can show you this. I want to say shout out to today's sponsor, which is Pouch. So Pouch is a free browser extension that automatically searches for the best discount codes when you're shopping online. So, I'm shopping online, I'm on Euro Car Parts, I'm gonna show you how it works. Super easy. You wanna add whatever products you want in your basket, and then when you go to checkout, Pouch will pop up in the corner if it finds some discount codes. Press try codes, it will try all of them until it finds the biggest discount code, and then it'll return you to checkout, and it's just saved me over 16 quid on some oil. It is so good. It's completely free. It literally takes no effort at all. You can install it in about 2 clicks, and then all you gotta do is just pin it to your browser, and then you're good to go. Pouch works with over 3,000 websites. A lot of them are car-based, so you can just save yourself loads of money on car parts. So click on the link in my description or go to joinpouch.com/i/Bocker and install Pouch on your desktop browser for free. Thanks Pouch for sponsoring this video. Let's go pick up these things. Let's go get some fuel lines. Fuel line, got. Look who's here. I did order a plug, but I can't find it. Luckily, Jack's a Sparky. Are you apprentice Sparky?
Yes.
Apprentice Sparky, and he robbed me a plug. So hopefully you don't get fired.
No, they won't fire me. I'm too valued.
See if it works.
Yeah?
Hopefully I still get to keep my job after this.
Oh, man.
What a sick rig. So I found one and all.
Guessing he just goes on there. So what do you do? Turn it on?
Turn it on.
We have it not tight, are we?
Oh no, of course.
Fuck.
Such idiots, aren't we?
There you go.
Try it now.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Sick.
What a cool little interface. Alright. Negatives on. Torch. I got some scrap metal. And we're gonna... I'm excited. We're gonna clean that up with this and we're gonna see what this weld is like. Test some settings.
So can it work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Hey!
If you do like up and down, up and down, up and down, you'll get like a nice slug.
How's that?
That is sick. Look at that. Mate, didn't even know you could do that.
No. What do you reckon? For my first welds, I mean, bearing in mind, how many times have I welded? 4 or 5 little dabbles. And then obviously we did my exhaust, which...
That's learned quickly.
Yeah, we had to learn quickly for that one. That was a good little hour sesh on a welder, and that's about it. But other than that, everyone on the internet critique my welding down there. What are you setting up then?
I don't know, just kind of want to do something a bit abstract and...
Come on then, let's see it. I should probably build a dedicated welding room. To be fair, we sold all of our stock pretty much to the car meets. There's not much in there at the moment, but... That's not bad, that's nice.
Let's get in there.
Looks like a weld. I think it's penetrated. Give me something else, I'm gonna weld something else. I'm gonna weld that on top of that. And then hopefully we're getting good enough to weld the subframe tabs. These are the tabs, they're gonna go on there. We need to weld around there and then down the sides. That is covered in shit and it's black, so we need to grind this back and clean it so that we can get a good weld. We are as clean as we can get. Big moment. First thing I'm ever welding on a car with my own welder.
It's very important as well. It is very important.
Yeah, no pressure. Yep.
Oh shit! Fuck you know. I was just like, where's this? Oh my god! Fire.
Number 2, ready? Alright, so we did a tack, 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 and this one we got tack, tack, tack. But, so what we'll do now is we'll whack the engine in, trial fit it, see if we can get the mounts on, and if they all line up, then we'll go for it and weld it. Did that just happen?
You've done this before, haven't you?
That actually just went in. Mount there, and then other side is on it. Look it, should we just take it out and weld it then?
Absolutely.
Alright, come on then.
Woo! Shee!
What do you reckon?
Oh, that looks good.
That's actually not bad.
Bot fab.
I'm stoked on that weld.
Yeah, that is cool.
That's a good weld. There's my welds.
That's solid.
I'm actually quite stoked with that, you know?
Yeah.
All I want to see is this engine in this bay with no engine and crane.
Crane, yeah.
Just on its own weight.
You ready?
Yep. Pull it out. That's actually mad.
That's well cool.
That is very cool. Oh my god, the engine's in. On its own weight.
That's awesome.
Right, let's get that trans mount done then. This is your trans, and obviously, oh yeah, we got to get that bolted up. So this is the trans mount that came with the engine, and they're wonky, so it doesn't actually fit. Only one side fits.
So see how
You can see how off that one is. Basically, these mounts want to actually be sat like that. They want to be going that way. So we've got to cut this down there and re-weld it. Alright, we have the mount free from its arms.
That'll be fine for mocking up purposes.
The mounts were fucked, so I've got some poly mounts.
A few minutes later.
This is our reshaped, remodified trans brace with better welds than were on it. That's Jack's. That's mine. Should we get it on? Right, one push, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Fucking done. On there. Woo. On the gearbox. Bolted in. It is fucked because it's right on the end. But it works for now. We'll sort that out another time. But the trans is in. And the engine's in. We have this prop. We just split it. And we have the front half. And we're gonna pray that it fits. From there to there.
Never!
Just like that, we got a prop.
We've got a drivetrain.
That is the prop on. It's a little bit, it's a little bit maxed out. So I'm gonna have to do some research on that. Anyone have any suggestions for the fact that our prop is barely on? Let me know. But it's on. Look, spins the wheels. It's getting really late, so we're probably not going to try and start the engine, but we want to see if the bonnet fits with the V8 in it. It's hitting the chain. That is cool. Very cool. V8. You'd never know. Yeah, we're going to go to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Goodbye. I ended up sleeping here because it was too late, so I haven't changed or showered and I'm covered in metal. But we had fun. I'm stoked on the welder, I'm stoked that the engine's in. That was actually a huge hurdle to get over. Starting the car, we didn't want to rush it. I do have this. This is all the way from Texas. This is a E36 to M60 wiring harness adapter. But there's a lot of things to figure out and we just didn't want to rush it, so that will be the next episode. Giveaway winner, that is the winner from the last video. You won one of these dad hats, these things. This video, I'm gonna give away sunglasses. You can either have the round style or the Wayfarer style. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the V8. Let me know what videos you wanna see. I'm gonna take a week off because it is my 30th birthday in a few days. And I'm going down to Cornwall to see my parents. So I will see you guys in like a week or two. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Engine's in the car, very stoked. Click the link in the description, join Pouch, get signed up and use that. It's super easy, saves loads of money. And I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Goodbye.